we guide you through how to get the best free VPN for your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Trust VPN. Then tap download and wait for it to install. Once installed, open the app and allow the necessary permissions so it can properly secure your connection. Next, you'll see a clean interface with a connect button. Before tapping it, choose a server location depending on your needs, like the US for accessing region lock content or a nearby country for faster speed. After selecting your server, tap connect and wait a few seconds until the status show you're protected. Now your internet traffic is encrypted, helping you browse safely, especially on public Wi-Fi. If you want better performance, try switching servers to find the fastest connection. You can also disconnect anytime with one tap.